With the iGrow 1400 controller, you have a feature, Setpoint Alarms, that allows you to set a high temperature and low temperature alarm relative to the set point. In some cases, your cooling and heating equipment may experience the inability to counter the temperature conditions due to its levels or equipment failure. In either case, with Setpoint Alarms, you can be notified by either a physical alarm device, a sensor phone hardlined into your system, or LinkCon software, so you can respond to the condition accordingly. Now, to get to Setpoint Alarms from the iGrow 1400 controller, you would simply do the following. You would hit Enter Menu, and then you would hit Next till you get to Setpoint Alarms and hit Enter Menu. You could also access Setpoint Alarms from iControl and set your parameters from there as well. Right now, we are in the Temp Setpoint Alarms screen. In this screen, you have two options. You can set a high temperature and you can set a low temperature alarm relative to the set point. Next and Previous will allow you to navigate within the screen's fields, and plus and minus allows you to change values. Now in the first field, the temp field is the amount of degrees above or below the set point you want your alarms to engage. For example, if your set point temperature is 72 degrees and you want the alarm to trigger 10 degrees above that set point, which would be 82, you would enter 10 in this field. Now the second field, the time field, is the time threshold that must be met in order to trigger the alarm. A value of 99 disables the alarm. If the value is 0, then the alarm will occur immediately when the temp setting is met. So basically, the logic defined here is if the temperature in the temp field is above the set point for the amount of minutes in the minute field, the high temp alarm will engage. Also as well, if the temperature in the temp field is below the set point for the amount of minutes in the minute field, the low temp alarm will engage. Now if both alarm lights go on, this is an indicator that the temperature sensor for the inside temperature has malfunctioned, and both alarm states will remain that way until the temperature issue is in fact resolved, or if you disable your sensor in sensor mapping. Note, it is highly recommended that you use the optional Link 4 sensor phone to call your user preset phone numbers in case of an alarm being triggered. LinkCon 1000 will also respond to your setpoint alarm indicators and can also issue notifications. And that's our video on setting up setpoint alarms with the iGrow 1400